So this is the Big Bench project number 223 above Bellano on Lake Como, guys. It was quite the walk. We are on high above the lake. I will show you the surroundings and the panorama. It's a beautiful spot, despite I will have to wait a couple hours for those clouds to go away. But anyway, I'm here with my Sony A7C Mark II paired to the 28-105 by Sigma f2.8. Let's see together what is interesting in here and what the settings are and what is happening when you bring such a big lens hiking. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One Lens Only, and today we are hiking because we're visiting the Big Bench project number 223 in Bellano. There are other ones here on the Lake Como. Another one is on top north of Lake Lugano in Porlezza. I will show you around the surroundings, but here it's a gorgeous view. There's not much people around, so you can come here and hike as much as you want. You can go up till the cross there on top of the mountain. It's, I don't know the height, but I will show you the site because it's really stunning. And so coming here, it's worth the walk because then you can appreciate this view. I don't know what city is down there. Let me straighten up the camera for you so you will have a proper sight. And this is what the region offers. Now, it's still winter, so that's why we're having white-capped mountains, and still the view is not so clear because it's foggy today. I don't know if it's fog or if are just clouds, but anyway, if you come here, remember to bring your tripod first. The ND filter, I don't have it today because I'm still waiting for it to be delivered. For this 82mm, I only have the 67mm filter thread, but I have to thank the clouds because they help me filtering a bit the light. And so let me see if I have to straighten up again the camera. Sorry, it's a one-man band, as you know, and so I'm trying to do my best with the small display that we have there and with the glass. The glass is quite heavy, so I brought it with me because when you are shooting landscape photography, now I know you might be willing to come here to shoot couples photos, families sitting on the bench with this stunning view, but anyway, since you're here you can also take some landscape photography, and for that you might need the zoom just for reframing because instead of bringing a few different prime glasses, I only have one zoom, which is quite versatile. So guys, stay tuned because the book is almost ready. I will share and publish the book, the link down here, once it's published. And with that, please let me know if you have any questions about the itinerary. I will add it to this video, or you can find it in the book. And with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.